In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App on Amazon. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to get and activate your Cash Card. So to do that, you want to open your Cash App. So you want to sign in or create a new account. Now order a Cash Card. So tap the Cash Card icon at the bottom and tap Get Cash Card and follow the prompts to request a card. Now activate your Cash Card. So when your card is already delivered to you, you want to open Cash App, tap the Cash Card icon, and then activate Cash Card. Now you can scan the QR code or enter the card details manually to activate it. Now you want to add cash to your Cash App balance. So after adding, you can now add your Cash Card as a payment method on Amazon. So log into Amazon or open the app. Now go to payment methods, so tap the menu icon and select account or payment options. Now add your cash card, so tap add a credit or debit card. Now enter your cash card's card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code. Now follow the prompts to save your cash card as a payment method. Now you can use your cash card for Amazon purchases. So browse and add items to your cart. Go to your cart and click checkout. Choose your cash card as the payment method and review your order and confirm the payment. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.